Hello, children. Welcome back to our English period. I hope, children, that you are doing regular reading at home. Okay, doing reading now? Yes, children, you should do reading. Reading is very important. It will be always useful, always beneficial for you. Okay, read good books, good stories. Okay, so it will always be beneficial to you. And so let us start. So now today we will start our period with a good quote by Richard Steele on reading. What he said that reading is to the mind what exercise it is to the body. So to keep your body fit, to keep yourself fit and fine, what you do? You do exercise. Yes, the same way to keep your mind fit and fine, what you should do? You should do reading. So reading to the mind and exercise to the body. So you should do both things, reading and exercise, to keep yourself fit and fine. Okay, children, let us start. So, children, in the last period, we started with the chapter Yonaman and Bushi 2.7. We have seen who was Yonaman Chiru, then why was her father worried, then what was her condition for marriage, then we have seen about Kojo, and a new introduction, that is Bushi Kyo. Who was who was Bushi Kyo? He was a karate expert, and he was recruited by Shoko, the king of Yokinawa, to be his personal guard. Okay, now let us move forward. Okay, children, open your textbooks. Page number, page number 45. Yes. So let us start. Interesting story, na? Yes. Okay, start. Now, his friends, whose friends? Bushi Kyo's friends said to Bushi, what they said, you should take on the challenge of this girl. Yona mine. Okay, they said that you should accept this challenge of girl who Yona mine. She may be big. They said that she may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her. So the friends, they are advising him that you take on the challenge, and they said that we know that she may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her. We know that you are stronger and smarter than her. Bushi too was keen to marry a girl like Yonamine. Now this Bushi, okay, he was also keen. Now here children, keen is the adjective. Keen means he was also eager. He was also means showing enthusiasm to marry a girl like Yonamine, because he was a strong person. Okay, he had trained under the karate master, and he was an expert, and he was working as a personal guard to the king. That's why he too wished that his girl should be a strong woman. He did not want a delicate, fragile girl for a wife. He himself was very strong. That's why he wished that his girl should be strong person, strong girl. He did not want a delicate. Delicate means children soft or a frail kind of girl, and fragile girl for a wife. Fragile means not strong or delicate, we can say. Okay, so he did not want a delicate, fragile kind of girl for a wife. I shall fight with her and win over her, he decided. So he decided that I will fight with her, and I will beat her, defeat her, and I will win her, and I will marry her. So Yona Mine was impressed at the sight of her new challenger. Now, the he accepted her challenge, na. That's why there was a going to be a contest, that is a fight was organized. So Yona Mine was impressed. He was means he got admired at the sight of her new challenger. Who was the challenger? Bushikyo. Okay, challenger means a person who is engaged in a contest. So here challenger is Bushikyo. So Yonamain was impressed at the sight of her new challenger. He had heard that he was one of King Shoko's personal warriors. She heard, okay, she came to know that Nabushikyo, he was a personal warrior to the king. Warrior means the fighter, the soldier of the king. He was tall and slim. Who was tall and slim? Bushikyo was tall and slim. He stood firmly on his feet. He was standing firmly. Means now firm position. He was standing on his feet and seemed unshakable. Okay, he was such a strong person that it seemed he is unshakable. Nobody can shake him. Okay, above all, he had dark, piercing eyes. Okay, dark piercing eyes. Now here children, piercing eyes means eyes that seem to notice everything, the eyes which can notice everything around that person. That is the dark piercing eyes, the eyes that can notice everything around him. Okay, so he had dark piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent. Dark piercing eye which was looking straight to the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward, and his eyes showed that he was a fearless kind of person. There was no fear in him, and he was straightforward. Straightforward means children, he was honest, he was frank. Okay, that I mean by straightforward. So this is a description about Bushikyo. Understood? He was tall, slim, unshakable, with dark piercing eyes, and he was looking straight to the opponent, and above all he was fearless and he was straightforward, means he was honest. Okay, now next, uh, the wrestling match began. The match which was organized between Yonoman and Bushikyo, that wrestling match began. Yonoman and Bushi bowed to each other. According to customary practice, as usual, that they bowed to each other and then began to attack each other. Next page. And then they began to attack each other in earnest. In earnest means in reality. First they bowed to each other according to custom, and then they started their match by attacking each other in reality, means in seriousness, in reality they started attacking each other. They punched and they punched, kicked and twisted using their best techniques. Whatever technique is used in karate, all they use. They punched, they kicked, they twisted using their best techniques. It looked as if the match was going to be a tie because both the players, they were strong contenders with each other. Okay, they were strong contenders, no? Both were expert in karate, so and they were fair players, so it looked as if the match was going to be a tie, nobody winning, nobody losing. Okay, but at a crucial moment in the fight, Yonamain paused. At the crucial moment means children, at a very important moment of the fight, Yonamain paused. She paused ever so briefly. Ever so briefly means for a very short time. Okay, she paused. Bushi took advantage of that moment. Bushi, he was an intelligent person. So, as soon as he realized that the Yonamain has paused, okay, had paused, Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a swift punch. Okay, so Bushi took advantage of Yonamain's pause and he brought her down with a swift punch. Swift means children, quick punch. Okay. Yonamain's father was a very happy man. When Yonamain was defeated, who was the happiest person? Yonamain's father was a very happy man. Bushi and Yonamain was married in a splendid ceremony. So according to the condition put, that the person who will defeat Yonamain will get Yonamain as his wife. So according to that, Yonamain and Bushi were married in a splendid ceremony. Splendid means children here very impressive ceremony. Okay, splendid is adjective here, ceremony is the noun. Okay, now let us move forward. It was a excuse me children, it was happy marriage. Yonamain was kind and loving. She cooked and cleaned and kept the house spick and span. It was a happy marriage. They got married and it was a happy married life. Yonamain was kind and loving. She was a kind and loving kind of girl. She cooked and cleaned and kept the house spick and span. So she was a homely kind of girl, children. She cooked everything. Even if she was a wrestler, she also took care of the house. So she cooked and cleaned the house and kept the house spick and span. Spick and span means neat and clean. One day, one day what happened when she was sweeping the kitchen? When she sweeping means that brooming the kitchen, Bushy saw her lift a huge bag of rice with her left hand. One day, when she was sweeping the kitchen, what she did, she was lifting a huge bag of rice with her left hand, and she swept beneath the bag with her right hand. So Bushy saw that with her left hand she was lifting a huge bag of rice, and with her right hand she was sweeping beneath that bag. He grew thoughtful. Who grew thoughtful? Bushy grew thoughtful. He thought that is she really so strong? She is lifting the huge bag with the left hand and sweeping beneath her with the right hand. Is she really so strong? And yet I brought her down with one punch. So he got, means he was just thinking that what, is she so strong that she can lift the bag with one hand, and yet I brought her down with one punch. Okay, he was just thinking, he was surprised, surprised, or we can say he was just thinking. Okay, and he got thoughtful. He was, means he was getting thoughtful that whether it is right or wrong, whether I defeated a girl who is such a so strong karate expert. Okay, and he grew thoughtful. Is she really strong? And yet I brought her down with one punch. Okay, so the next part we will see the next video we will see the remaining part. Okay, children. Okay.